Then as we head into Friday, the big story for Friday will be the temperature that drops. We're going to see that temperature drop throughout the day. We'll only be in the 20s. Then as we head into Saturday, with morning lows down into the single digits, we're only going to make it into the teens as we take you through the day on Saturday. Then we watch for that winter storm to come our way in a moisture-rich environment, pulling up that moisture from the Gulf. We're going to watch for the potential of some significant snowfall totals. I know we want to talk about snowfall totals. It's too early to talk about snowfall totals responsibly at this point, but the bottom line is we do at least have the potential there to look for a significant snow accumulation. Late on Saturday into Sunday, temperatures are going to be cold, so we're going to be watching for some significant impacts as we head into the weekend. Right now,